Hello guys, welcome back to Pre-Tech Ideas. Guys, in this video, we will talk about the very important topic when you see in your browser your connection to this site is not secure or this website is not secure. How you can easily fix this issue, I will show you live. So don't skip any part of this video. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's start this video. So first let me explain you about why this issue mostly happen. Site not secure happen when your hosting does not have a SSL certificate. So why we use SSL certificate? SSL certificate comes with the hosting and domain name. When we install any new WordPress or any system on our website, we need to first ensure that we have installed SSL certificate. SSL certificate help our website not only secure the domain name, it also help you keep your payments secure if you're accepting payments on your website or any personal information that give you extra security layer to protect your website. So how you can fix this issue? Let me bring you on my hosting platform. I'm using Hostinger because Hostinger also comes with a free SSL certificate for even how many website you need or you install WordPress in the Hostinger. For the Hostinger plan, you will find link in description with a discount. And once you have your hosting platform or you are using any other third-party hosting, most of that hosting platforms comes with a SSL certificate option to install on the domain name. So right now you can see this website it's my blog. It's not secured enough. So let me check into the backend. I will bring you on my Hostinger platform. So the first step, we have to ensure our SSL certificate is installed in the backend. In the Hostinger, I can teach you how you can enable the SSL certificate, but if you have any other hosting platform, the process is very same. Even in the cPanel, you can easily enable or install SSL certificate on the domain name, because SSL certificate option almost every provider give you option to secure your website. So this is my Hostinger backend. As you can see, this is my domain name unsecured because I did not yet install SSL certificate. After install SSL certificate, we have to also do some basic setting in order to secure our website. So first step, when you go to your website list on your Hostinger hosting, and then you have to choose your website where you want to secure and click on dashboard option. In the dashboard option, or if you're using cPanel, let me show you also cPanel. So in the Hostinger, when you click on overview, go to option security and SSL certificate. When you click on SSL certificate, you have to install new SSL certificate on your website domain name, because Hostinger give you free option to free install this certificate. Let me click on install certificate, and now it will take some time. The SSL certificate will install on your domain name. Next step, we have to go to our WordPress panel. If you not yet have a SSL certificate option or your hosting provider not allow you to install SSL certificate in the plan, we have another option for those who want to get access their website with free SSL certificate. For that option, we also have to visit WordPress backend. Let me bring you on my WordPress. This is my WordPress. First step, because I just install SSL certificate on the backend in the Hostinger, I have to do some setting in the setting option. Click on general. In the general, you will see here web address and site address. It should be HTTPS. If it's only HTTPS, you have to add it and put the S here. It should be HTTPS. Then save changes. Now let me teach you how to install SSL certificate from the WordPress and for free. If your hosting provider does not allow you to install SSL certificate or it charge you some bugs, then you can try this way to install free SSL. Go to plugin option click on add plugin and search for SSL. When you search for SSL, we have this plugin which comes with a 4+ million active installation. This is very secure plugin. You can click install and activate this plugin. It will take some time, you don't worry. So now we will click activate this plugin right away. Okay. So now it will ask you, you have to choose your hosting provider, or you can click here optional, and SSL certificate has been detected or activated. Because in the backend I already activate the SSL certificate because my hosting provider allow me to install SSL certificate. In your case, if you choose, you can choose your preferred hosting provider. It will tell you immediately if there is a SSL certificate. If not, and it will give you option to secure your website here or activate SSL. Just click on activate SSL and then you will see all the options. SSL not yet enabled yet on this website. Once it active, you will see the progress here. SSL is not enabled yet. Enable the vulnerability scan to detect possible, and you have to, it will give you all the option to detect if there is any issue in the firewall or any SSL issue. Then you have to go through options and activate your SSL certificate with this plugin. You can try both ways. Both ways are free. If you pick any hosting plan comes with the SSL certificate, that's well good. If not, you can use this plugin in order to active or secure your domain name. After you do this whole process, your website, when you click here, your website will be secured. As you can see now, my website is start working. So this way you can ensure your website has SSL certificate. If not, you have to do these settings in order to activate it. So after you install this plugin, and you will see option setting and click on general to ensure our SSL certificate configured correctly. Then you will see option here, select hosting provider. You can leave optional, dismiss all notification, system status, delete all data on plugin detection, stop. So for the security reason, you can enable these options. It will prevent to edit your .htaccess file, which can cause issue for your website. So it will secure also your backend. So you can try out these options when you click on SSL certificate. And one more thing here, if I go to backend on my hostinger platform here, SSL certificate option, the same option we done earlier. And when you click on option, there is a option to force HTTPS. You have to force HTTPS. So even your web address is not secure, it will always work with a secure connection. It will force to secure the web address. So if you're using cPanel also has option to force HTTPS. So this way you can secure your website with SSL certificate. This plugin not only help you to secure your website and enable SSL certificate, you have a lot more options here for the security. If you click on vulnerabilities, and you can scan your website if there is any risk or there is any issue in your website. You can click here and save. It will auto detect and scan your website from the vulnerabilities. If you click on hardening, and you can enable some of the options here to secure your website backend. Hide your WordPress version here, prevent login feedback and directory browsing. You have to enable these options in order to secure your website. Login protection is very important. If your website has a login access, you have to enable it to enable two-factor authentication, which is very secure way. No one can log in your website. They have to provide a two-factor authentication. And then password security, you also can add password, limit login, firewall option. Those are some pro features. But you can also use one more plugin here, AIOS. If I go to plugins, add plugin and search for AIOS. If you wanna secure your website further, AIOS. And this plugin all-in-one security you can use in order to secure your website, firewall, all the advanced features for the security. If you have any question, just let me know in the comments. I will reply you immediately. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.